Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch. Mine is already turned on, but you can turn on yours by pressing and holding the crown button for let's say 5 to 10 seconds. And once you hold the button, you will see at some point you will see the Huawei logo on the screen. Once you see it, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping on the screen and then find the language you would like to use. And once you find it, tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, you will need to download and install the Huawei Health application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on search bar and type in Huawei Health. Once you tap on search, you should see this application, Huawei Health. Tap on it, then tap on the get button to download and install the app. And once the application is done installing, you can open it by tapping on the open button. And after the application opens, you may see pop-ups about permissions. For example, this is a pop-up about the notifications permission. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And once you're done with the permission, you can tap on next, agree, and now you should see the health page. Once you see health page, tap on devices, tap on add, and you will be probably be asked to log in into Huawei ID account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on register right here to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password, and then tap on login. And after you log in, tap on next, agree, and you may see this health access or health kit option. And once you see it, tap on let's go. And here we need to, we can allow ordinary access to some features like heart rate, stuff like that. Basically, you can allow the app to write the data for some health features and read the data from some health features. So if you want to use, for example, and track heart rate, you need to allow the app to write the data and read the data, and it goes the same for the other features. I'm just gonna tap on turn on all, but you can customize it to your liking and then tap on allow or don't allow. Okay, now we can tap on devices again, tap on add, tap on OK. And let's tap on add again, and it should start scanning for the nearby devices. As you can see, it detected our watch. It has the same name as our watch right here. So let's tap on link. Confirm the pairing by tapping on the check mark on the watch. If you see this pop-up about the pairing, for some reason it's in the secondary language in Spanish, but basically this is the pair option. You tap on pair right here. And again, you can allow or deny the permissions for the notifications. I don't know why this pop-up is in Spanish, but you can allow or deny the permission. Then you can go through the terms of use and check the box and tap on next. Tap on next. Next. Okay. Oh, here we can enable different services. We can enable location services, user experience program and stuff like that. If you want to enable them, tap on the box next to them to check them. If you don't care about them, you can tap on next a couple of times and it should go through. Also, if you see this pop-up, you can allow the permission to access your contacts if you want to. So if you want to use watch to call or something like that, you will need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And here we have the permission for the location. This is useful if you want to track your routes, for example, for running or cycling on the map. So you need to allow this permission if you want to do that. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it and tap on OK, then tap on done, tap on OK. And here we can enable the sync. I'm just gonna tap on skip. And at this point, you should see your Huawei Watch 4 on the device page. Also on your watch, you can tap on start, next, 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 and wait until the setup or configuration process is complete. But at this point, your watch is paired with your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.